Welcome to 2025 SEMA. You're over here at the Ford Performance Parts and Accessories booth with the FCG garage. What we have behind me here is our new Maverick 300T package. We are boosting the power by 50 horsepower and 40 foot-pounds of torque. So we got 300 horsepower and 317 foot-pounds of torque in this little beast behind me. Starting off with the front end of this vehicle is our air design front splitter that everybody is just raving about on this little vehicle. It will fit our XL, XLT, and Lariat trim packages for this Maverick 300T. And it just spruces up the front end of this vehicle a little bit that, makes it stand out while driving down the road. Moving from there, we have our lowering kit. So we lower the front end by 10 millimeters and the rear by 30 millimeters. And then pairing that with our Mach-E GT wheel in bronze. We also will have this vehicle package in a black option also. On the backside, everybody's been looking at these other air design items. What we got back here is our rear roof cab spoiler from Air Design. I can't tell you how many people are looking and loving this stuff and they're asking where we can get it. So, and then to pair it with the tailgate spoiler also, and then also the black applique on the back. So it really makes this vehicle stand out on the road nowadays. Hey, thanks for coming by the Ford Performance booth. Awesome to work with the Air Design team. You can get all these awesome parts at our Ford Accessories website online.